Recording in
Recording in
progress.
progress. Hi friends, I'm Sujit from Advanced Excel Training Center, IPT Excel School, and today we discussed about the if formula. The last video we discussed the formula merging method and logical operator. Now we discuss about the if formula. So this is the ID and name address city. So basically, I have typed the data entry. So write the type one and give the name and give the address. There's like F101 and city Delhi. Again, we have typed the second ID and name the give the second name. But now I want to automatically generate the sequence number. But how can? When we have typed the any value here, automatically give the sequence number. So that time we have used the if formula. So if we have select the B2, B3, sorry, B3, it will name B3 is greater than 0. Why give the greater than 0? Because blank cell value is the 0. So Excel understand blank cell it means 0. If type any type of the value, it means greater than 0, greater than blank. So we have type here B3 is greater than 0. It means type some data here. Then we have A2 plus 1. Otherwise, we give the blank. Blank, it means show nothing. And we have pressed the enter and copy to drag down below. Now we have type here name Mohan and F102 and here is the Delhi Pune. So automatically give the CL number when you type in the B column. But one problem here, if you have skipped the one cell as a blank and now we have entered here, just like we have entered Ravi and we have give the error. First understand why you here show the error. So we have plus the A6 plus 1. Yeah, A6. On the A6, show the blank in the inverted comma. It means text. When you have used the inverted comma, then text convert as a number convert as a text. Cell format convert as a text. So in the Excel, you have can't do any calculation with text. So the error. So now we have ignored the this blanks. But how can? So in the Excel have a max formula we have ignored here. So we have not typed here A2 plus 1. We have applied here max. Max A2 to A2 plus 1. And we have freeze the first A2. Now we have drag down. You can see here. So when you have applied formula max, starting is the fixed but ending is not a fixed increasing. So when you apply the formula max, check the above of the cell address and calculate the max and plus the 1 and give the next number. This is some complicated. Please try it. You can understand better. Now we understand why use the else value in the if formula. So we have the sales. I want to calculate quantity is greater than 60, then sales greater than 60, we have multiply by 40. So we apply the formula and select the sales. It means A14 is greater than 60, then we have multiply by 40 your sales quantity and press the enter and it will give the result. But when you track down which condition is not met, give the false because in the formula I have not give any false value. So when you apply the formula, if you have not a false value, then you have used the zero for number and inverted comma open close for blank. It means text. So drop down here. This is the very important part. Now we have calculate also the serial number. So I have type here 10 to 15. So I want to generate 10 to 15 serial number. So first we have link the first cell value and now apply the if formula. If 10 plus 1 is greater than 15, then inverter का open and close, it means blank. Otherwise, plus 1. Before the drag, we have need some corrections. We have merged the your J15 because J15, J3, it means 15 is the fixed value. So we have to apply the formula. And we have also give the blank. So give the some error. So we have used the if error formula. But why if error formula? So when you have completed a number and give the one blank and another blank, after the blank you got the error. Why? Because blank plus 1, it means text plus 1, so give the error. So I don't want to show the error, so that time we have apply if error formula. If error formula, you have entered the formula in the first part, and when you get the error in this formula, then we have second part we have show which text, which character, and which result we want to show. So we give the inverted comma start and close here. Now we have drag down here. You can see here we have typed the 5 to 15 with number 5 to 15. We have 15 to 20, so 15 to 20. Your serial number will be shown here. We check the another example. So I have the some name list. I want to name list and this name list is sorted. So I want to show the unique and duplicate. So first Ajit, so the unique and second is the duplicate. So for this we have applied the if formula. If we have select this value is equal to name, then show the D. Otherwise, show the U. Simple. Press enter and we have drag down here. You can see here U unique and now you have see here Ajit and Ajit both are the same. So give the D duplicate and here is the Dev. Dev and Ajit is not equal. So show here U unique. We also want to give the sequence number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. So we apply the if formula and we have applied same condition कि Ajit equal to name then plus 1 the above value otherwise start from 1. So here is the Ajit and name is not equal, it means start from 1. But we have dragged down here and Ajit both are the same. So we have C2, it means C2 plus 1 give the 2. So same sequence number here. So in this video, we have discussed if conditions. We have the lottery, give the lottery example about the if formula. Okay. So do you have practice? The next video, we discussed about the and or. How can I apply the and or in the Excel? Thank you.